We'll guide you through how to get your messages in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail's website by typing mail.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll need to log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Enter your email address and click Next, then enter your password and click Next again. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Gmail inbox. Here you can see a list of all your emails. To view a specific message, click on the email in the list and it will open up in a new window or tab, depending on your browser settings. If you're looking for a particular email, you can use the search bar at the top by typing in keywords, the sender's name, or specific dates. Gmail will show you results that match your search terms. You can also organize your emails by using the tabs at the top, like Primary, Social, and Promotions, or create labels for more specific sorting. If you want to get notifications for new messages, make sure your browser settings allow notifications from Gmail. You can do this by clicking on the lock icon next to the website address and checking the notification settings. To ensure you don't miss any important emails, you can also set up filters by going to Settings, clicking on See All Settings, then navigating to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, you can create a new filter to automatically label, archive, or forward emails based on criteria you set. This helps keep your inbox organized and ensures important messages aren't missed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.